Here's how you can make butter chicken mac and cheese. We made butter chicken pizza, pasta, wings, poutine, shawarma. It's time for
macaroni with the chicken strips.
Season skinless chicken thighs and legs, but save the skin for later. Add a squeeze of lemon juice, yogurt, garam masala, ground cumin and coriander, chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, ginger, turmeric and garlic paste, and mix. Marinate for at least 30 minutes, then cook on high heat for a couple of minutes and then low heat for about 10 minutes. In a separate pan, brown some onions and green Thai chili peppers, add San Marzano tomatoes, break it down and cook down for a few minutes before blending. Then in the same pan, you can add a whole bunch of butter, garam masala, Kashmiri red chili powder, and your blended tomatoes. Add dried fenugreek leaves, black pepper, and season with salt. Add the tomato mixture into the chicken and reduce this down on low to medium heat until it kind of thickens. In the meantime, let's cook our elbow pasta in seasoned water. Now let's make a little cheese sauce with butter, flour, and milk. And for the cheese of choice, I'm using ricotta. I chose ricotta because it's not too heavy or strong in taste, and I think it's a bit weird to add cheese in butter chicken, so I didn't want to go too crazy. Once the macaroni is cooked, add this to your butter chicken plate, top it off with dollops of your ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, and I also air fried that chicken skin and we'll sprinkle it on top. Enjoy.